and then I'm going to load this in our project. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to create a wall here. I'm going to place a door here in front, and then I'll just go back to my main family, not the nested family. We can close the nested family. Go back to your main family and click on load into project. Now I can place this in place. So I'm just going to place this here. Rather on the other side of the wall. And then since it is an instance parameter, I can extend the edges. So now if I go to 3D, you will notice that we have a barricade in place for the door. And then of course you can copy this down or above. Now if you want to copy it down, I would suggest that you go to one of the elevation views, select the element, tap Ctrl CO, and then copy it down. So that's how you can copy it down as well. So I hope you found this 3-part series useful, where you learned about how to create a family from scratch depending on the client's requirements and the manufacturer's spec. And I hope you create precise families which will help you in your projects and your team in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, if you like more such videos and if you like more advanced tutorials and courses related to BIM, Revit and more, and also of course AI, head to academy.archeon.com. I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.